Hey guys, so I'm out here making the next video on disassembly of this bus engine. And while the GoPro battery was charging, I figured I would take a look with my borescope. Let's see what I found. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be there. It's kind of a bummer. So looks like I will be taking this engine down farther than I wanted to. I'm kind of surprised that it is damaged like that. When I first bought the bus, in the front seat there were pistons and jugs already, so I figured these would at least be good condition. I don't know. Or they could have bought used ones to replace this one because they knew it had happened. So yeah, that sucks. I did have it running, and it was running. Granted, not very long. It was just running off the little bit of fuel that I dribbled down the carb, but it did run. So even with that hole, at least 3 of the cylinders had compression. So yeah, so this kind of puts a kink into things. I was hoping to have this video wrapped up within a week or two of completely disassembling, at least down to getting all the tins and such off, and then sandblasting, cleaning, doing all the seals, gaskets, everything like that. But looks like I need to do pistons and jugs now. Hopefully I can find those pistons that I pulled out of here. I definitely didn't get rid of them. I'm just not sure what I did with them. They might even be in the bus still. I don't know. I haven't really cleaned it out much, but yeah, so looks like I need to do a new jug, new piston. Hopefully there's no damage in the bottom end. It sounds good. I mean, when it ran, it sounded good. So really sucks. That is my luck. That's how things always turn out. So I've got to save up a little bit more money now, especially because since this is the Porsche engine, parts are stupidly expensive. So that is my life. That is usually how my luck goes. So it definitely sucks, but I will not let it stop me. It is still going to be a quick and dirty get her on the road. Just turns out I've got to throw a little bit more money at it. So also in the previous video, which I'll throw up top here, I said that I was not going to replace the CV axle boots, or at least I wasn't going to replace all the CV axle boots. I was just going to do the one. But the green bus that is outside, I bought brand new axles, CV joints, all of that for that bus, seeing as it is nowhere near being on the road or close to even having an engine in it. So or transmission for that fact, because that is still sitting there. So I've got a lot of work to do on that, so I'll take those axles and CV joints, throw on this bus. So saves me a little bit of money from having to get those parts, which I can in turn put into pistons and jugs. Hopefully I can use those pistons that I found, like I said, but it would also be kind of dumb to do all the work to tear it down, do all of that just to put old stuff in it. So yeah, video will be out hopefully soon, but we will see. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to get updates. Click the bell, that way when I finally do something to this, you will see it. With that, I will see you in the next one.